everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Chandana Banerjee, and today we are going to talk about the different books that we've used in our curriculum in our homeschool journey. This year we've been studying this beautiful picture atlas from Usborne. I love this book. In fact, both my son and I, we both really feast on this lovely book. This is all about the global geography, and every continent is in this book. And what's so interesting about this book is that there are little surprises hidden across the book. For example, here in North America, there are these little flaps that you can put up and read interesting facts about the creatures or the monuments or the location in that place. Here. So for a child who's learning geography for the first time, it's so interesting to not only look at these gorgeous pictures. Here, take a look. To not only look at these gorgeous pictures, but also have an element of surprise hidden in the pictures here. There are little stories behind each of these pictures. And how we studied this would be, we would pick up a continent, we would go through the different flaps and talk about what's in there. Then we would look at our globe and find that continent on the globe. And then, since each continent has so many facts, we would break it up into maybe 1, 2, or 3 days. And we'd pick some of our favorite facts and look at YouTube videos that talk about either that animal or monument or that place. So if you are looking at teaching geography to your child in an interesting way, not in the rote learning way, then take a look at this book. It's called Usborne Lift the Flap Picture Atlas. I will leave the name in a link below, so do check it out. The other book that I used to supplement our geography curriculum was Nat Geo's Beginner's World Atlas. Now this book is not really a cutesy book, but it has all the facts in a more succinct, short way for a child to understand and grasp. Again, this is divided into different continents, and I will just show you. So this book has all the continents in them. So as we were looking at the picture atlas, we would also open that continent in this book and look at all the different facts. Let me show you a few other pages. And we would that way get a more holistic view of the entire continent. We would also look at a more fact-based book like this World Atlas, and we would also look at a more cute cartoon-based atlas, which would be the Picture Atlas. So do take a look at this. These books are all available on Amazon. It's Beginner's World Atlas. Another book that I really enjoyed with this flap variety was Usborne's See Inside Your Body. My son is hugely interested in science and anything, be it biology, chemistry, physics, any of the concepts, electronics, all of this fascinating. So what we did was, we took this book, and he loves to flip through this book even when he's not studying. So this book again has the whole human body, and it has a flap system. So it talks about the facts about each of these organs and parts of the body. The whole human body is covered in this. So even if your child is younger, but they are interested in learning about the human body, you can always get this book. And as they progress class by class, you can use it in your curriculum to teach. So this is the book that we use. This is also part of our science curriculum. And I don't really, the way we homeschool is a more relaxed form. So we don't really rote or mug up the meanings or, things like that. We just look at it. Then sometimes how I correlate it is that I look at videos on YouTube, which talk about these human parts. And then we see that so that the child has a 3D view of what's really happening in the body. I also use a lot of encyclopedias. Some of them are children's encyclopedias, some of them are not children's encyclopedias, but there are these beautiful encyclopedias which are filled with facts about all kinds of things. One of these that we really enjoyed, and again it's part of our natural environment curriculum, is The Secret World of Animals. I had got this book at a second-hand shop. In fact, I think at a second-hand book exhibition, and it's all about the hidden worlds of animals. So mostly animals that live underground, in deserts, in the tundra, in the rainforests, and in the so it's like this. And again, since my son is 7.5 years old, reading, I was not really reading the entire text out to him because it was getting boring. But what I would do is open up the pictures and read the subtext under the pictures and explain what was happening in the picture. So we spent a lot of time looking at these, and then sometimes we would also look at the atlas and see where that particular animal was found. We also have, a lot of these other encyclopedias, fact-based ones, and my son especially really enjoys looking at the science sections of them. So we've gone through that as well. And so this has been, you can say, our science and geography curriculum this past year. Going forward, I plan to stack up on a few other encyclopedias and atlases like this. In fact, now that he's going to class 3, we'll be doing the entire Indian subcontinent. And once I get the book here in my hand, I'm going to do another video on that. So I hope you enjoyed these books. Like I said, most of these books are available on Amazon.in and Flipkart. So do check it out. And I will be back next week with another video on homeschooling or sustainability, wellness, as well as angel card reading. So do like, subscribe, and share our channel and videos, and support us with your enthusiasm and by watching our videos. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.